maintenant iwe ni gwa beri ibude na ni be ibiedo jeniro gwa kenirisi muda we mi no sunu si somo se gbeva gbe ahia gba na no gbeva je na no ke sunu no concerne awogion bana ni re e Europe èmi ní adosun èmi na ma emi ere do agbonde eyin are dosun itu wa ya fe wa ya lamogun so ina we ni we do kun ajo because owe obi ebo ari obi ebo oda mahia Italy be mana he mereje okpe ni mahia ke be dan ho kedere wa ide but there's nothing in mahia because iya ni du ekira na Italy eyan je d'Italy eyan je imasho egbe be na o wa sulu be na wa ke abore na agyan so me na ni be latia ni be zelu nu because o no ma gwan obi edo no yin go bi eda ye ken do ni ya ho ene when the dad dog latia we short video be no that dog be wu na ya condemn abogyan bana abogyan to na go gyan do na so that ni ala wadia okpe na kejo ni mekere hia me mi egbe bi na dedevente na gwa ni ke exist no na hin ni ana gwa ya we business na me ladia ni me do zenu me the point ni honita le me na o ewe ekene bi na ke sun okeke ni ma ni bi edo ni ma ekene o ke sun e ma ni ruwe iya ene no we mi dana di duzana na wa dogian ijore number 1 ijore ma won bi edo o ma lele do ijore na o me ebo ona o me obigbo ona o me ebrafa ti e go da fun eni because apa o pe agbon na opo no wi ari hia se no deyere no se si ya because ma ni ori e obo no ya aro bi ba yes ememweji oni na gbegbulo fo then no we ati emesi no ro o ma le on bi edo ebo ni be lele un dan ne di o ma no re jemi ige no we ati emoki face no wu yi mudia ogun ana ogbe family oni ona re yari obi turkey ati ubege be ni yana na dina iya enena abogun ba enena iya ma obi e wi ma o wie gon eyan o me then na be buya beti Sophia no re no we nu dan na we brafa ga yin hin oni o ye bo be o me why do hu fian ene na mia e gon eyan lele eyan o me ni ya dusa ni adona so me na we ni be ladian ni be do izenu nu me because ivie do ken why reage afema o esan o binio so ne da doga ya late da doga ya zunu nu enu nu wa ni we nu wa zena igwe nu wa ya sinyo sege hin gbere nu wa gari ebo mo understand nu wa gari ebo ne da doga late nu wa ja sen nu wa ja na bo gun bana na we ni me be do gbogo me ni be pe Facebook e je maila na ja watch on YouTube e Facebook e iweje na ni be do ki condemn the pointing ni honita the mating me honi meta wo mama you understand it but me understand it since so bet yire live video you understand even no sunu ibi igbo ogwu ma hon ibi igbo ogwu ma hon bibi gbagwu ma hon ji iyawe mama de banya we brafa they are saying it me hon e o me vun they are saying it ri mama de banya we brafa ge okona ka hon ma e o de o ze ya ma win okoni ibi edo o si ga ka gbian so for that simple reason yan na go ma hon ma do de banya e force a message in here send na here send that to una do kanu ma do na do kanu ya ti logun ya gbe this is your message una do kanu. I know all of us we are the same family. Human being, we are the same family and we are Nigeria. I just want to send this message to you because we are from the same place. We are from Nigerians, but we are not brafa If you people said that you want to cut yourself out of Nigeria, that is your problem. The Edo people did say that you should not cut yourself, you should not leave Nigeria. But leave the Benin people alone. We are not Brafa. Edo people are not Brafa. And we don't want to be Brafa. We are not Brafa. If you want your Brafa, go and do your Brafa. Go and fight Nigeria. Don't fight the Edo people. It's not by force. It's not by force to join Brafa. You can't force somebody to join what he doesn't want. So this message is for you. As far as you are their capo that send them this message, this for Ogyoba, that is because their father, their mother, their family, their generation, since almost 2 years or 3 years, now it's going to 3 years, they have been fighting us. But we, Benin, we keep quiet. We didn't answer anybody. Now, this message I want to send to you. Tell your people to leave the Benin people alone. That kingdom have been existing before your father. It have been existing. Please, my brother, tell your people that you send message because you are paying them. You are paying them to do what they are doing. This idiot, Monkey Face, the one in Ijemi, I know that you are the people that supporting him. You are the people that back him. So, my brother, I beg you, leave Edo people alone. We are not Brafa. If you want to form your Brafa, go and form your Brafa. The Benin people doesn't want. Since then, we keep quiet. We are looking at you people. We didn't say anything. But now, enough is enough. Enough is enough. Leave the Benin people alone. Call your what so-called Brafa people, all those idiots, fool, useless people, criminal. They are terrorists. Let me just call you people. You people don't have food. You don't have brain. You are terrorists. You are the one. The Igbo people. You are the one that are destroying Nigerians. That is the truth. Because if you say that you want to form your Brafa, nobody hold you. But you can't force somebody to come and join you. All these idiots, all this for Ogyoba, they call themselves because they are fools. Because maybe their brain is not working anymore. That is why they say that they want to join you people. Please, my brother, if they want to join you, I don't want anybody to insult my kingdom again. I don't want anybody to insult my kingdom and my Edo people again. Because we are ancient people. We are born with respect. We don't want any war. We don't want any problem. We are believing in peace. Please, leave us alone. Leave the Benin people alone. The Edo people alone. All over the world. Form your Brafa, my brother. All your soldiers that is working for you now, you have to call them to order. That is the message I want to send to you. Unadu Kanu, this is your message. All Igbo. All Igbo. Not all Igbo. Not all Igbo, my brother. So I know the bad one. That is the Brafa. It's the Brafa that I'm talking to now. You people should go and form your Brafa. You don't say that you should not form your Brafa, but don't ever mention Edo name again. Into this bad news. Into this bad name. Criminal. You people are criminal. You people are mafia. You people are terrorists. You people are fools. We don't say that you should not form your Brafa. You should go to hell and form your Brafa and burn to ashes. That's not our business. This is the only thing I want to say. If you have the news of when it's about here, no social media system. Why no sunu? No sunu. Okay, why? Ekele point. I can't be na yemi. Ekele vike sunwe. I can't be na yemi. Why there is investigation where even na bona jeve ni na apie mana all way because e mo fi face o ma mwele o we Brafa eyin munana ani akole there's one man no call one day from US the man na call o wu na di Kanu no ya be so ni na do Kanu we ina do wo na do investigate e we just na do Kanu o ikapo yan o we o yen o go giun ni eta mare ni enu na le no concern egwa no have information in here. So anything not like in aga idelo ne no ya so anwena the boy na we here yo eri me ya we una di kanu or sponsor yan na ya fefefe, and that is the truth which people don't understand. People are just beating around the bush, fighting yourself, fighting this one, fighting. No, we have to start for a point, because they are too small to fight with many people. Those two idiots, they are too small. Is somebody, is big people that is sponsoring them. Iyan is sponsoring Iyan. Metana o yivi gbo brafa. Ogu ma gbe na. Letu wa yan kada eni wa da, je no bi je na wa lawo. Wa mo ebo gbigbo. Wa mo ebo gbiyan. Ni aju wi abi ho emi. Ogun no ka gbiyan ke ni ke brafa. Ogun no ha de gbe gbiyan now, because àwọn ogun eyin àwọn yan kin. Kiyen ka ogun be ne ni afio latiana. Àwọn ogun yan yan eyin yan gele yan. Yan yan ne variana. Sisi yan we na gwa ni ke are ba yan gbegbe oko edo ade gbagbo de le gbe oko yan ogun oba yan na yan ne no e mo fi face ijo re yan soin ijo ro soin to wa ma yan wa be mi e video ya re ba document ya ijo ro soin ijo re ma no mu mo fi face ni ai va na we salt and water ya so mi na ni aje na ijo ro soin yega ro orige me no sunu e mebi emi go e ona ya aki oge no do season ya eva mi go season ya eva o ni naso ijore gigwa le bi no ya mai go meme mu na na o se ya eva ga akin ya eva e salt and water ministry ya ga do ijo ya sun so ijore sun na ijore number 1 o gan ba number 2 ona mo fi face number 3 ona Mercy Coco number 4 ona wa Sofia dan I'm have no shape. The ugliest girl, the ugliest woman in the world. Woman ni. Oye be chipaze hu. Agbe. Onu emi we ni tabu won wa lawo. Wa ya ko boku gbe. Esan o. Edo Bini people ora o. Afema o. Keke ni wa irigage. Wa ya ladian. Ta do we video ni wa mu ebo gbe ana, because ami arun pa na sero ohun. Sise na mu gbin awowa iya wo ma ewu yan ropa iya gogo ya wo ma yan ropa da doge ma ya ni bere Europe na wa ki ba ku gbo ku gbe wa we tie bo ni ya wa ya la jan wa mo bo gbe o ha sin yan gbe, but okpa no we ni evan we ni ta we gbe a u to me ebo gbojujo bi ogu e o pe dididididi ebo ni na no e ni agogo ji ijore no bi omoze logun agbe nona we emerima egin ba ijore ga iwe mi opa ijore ya mo ono owe evini evio ege emi our symbol, that is our logo, the logo of Edo logo ona ya vio ona we he ya hungo ye wetin ye ma o bet eni ka obere ona ya vio we gin evio to owun yo ikun ona ya iya wo bi gbo no da fun obi igbo wo nyamiri no gbe o ba gbon logun gbe obi eno kun gbe kere ovion wa ni ko na mo ejore obi ata iye mebu iye on no de va eku emuwe ime egbe ni meta mwe na ejore no bi omo ze ime gigugu ekun na emi nu vio emi edo nu vio nu ya kun go ya vio yo to wo ijore wo God of ijore when God ume avio to ije sigere wo we mu ni our queen mother we vio ni wu ya hungo wa iwene udo aswenia eri abi ofen eri abi enye eri ahu papa wa ga eri katapila hin laja wo ni sian eri abi ologbo eri esage pe ladan wu sweni eri ma sweni eyo wu we wo ni ne oni ma swe una be gbe ri ono o gbe mama en no suru a ma ni ma ebo ya me ya so ni, because me we igewe the important one ro e pikiri e fa about you, because yen ke no mu di age wa iwe I believe obo nu e. You are not a Christian. Let me tell you are not a Christian. We Christian eran e ulu evani penu we ni South African we jo ujere we we are ancient people. We the Benin people, we are ancient people. The cradle of black civilization ati mai ma create civilization, black civilization. The black race in the world. Ikidoni akekpa. Any place, Africa country where you got it, where you're not near away in way, you are working with Donna. Jury, egg by anyone. Egg by anyone. Egg by who they bear, by jet. Let the egg by anyone. Ian give a born when you're aware. Ian got it, where me bawe, ian where Iriono. Ijore got up by why be reality when una be when you have attack where any man talk, but we my no so do. My no so no. Why is yes, we know where is we near him at la rejori. I will see a go about attack me. I will see a go about attack me. Who is your one of Paris? Okay, who is your one of Paris? As why could those who are when I are day you gig ban when I are doing Bokutano say when I'm Yarigena. He make it time away. He say warning to you. Emi guanu vioi nu yakungo avioto. A queen in no vioi a queen ave queen man nu vioi nu yakungo nu wa ya hinpo unpo we fall unpo ude de ye uwa ya to mu na heniwe oge no ya vioto unwera unweje unwe family unwera bi juwe ya wulo na bi era bi juwe family we ro no wulo na re mi eni o ye ni ka ogwe eni o ye ni ka ogwe eni o e mo ma le we go important ime egwe ni meju we na du ma je school ugele ma finish primary 6 ime gita mu we na we ge even we vio ni it's an ancient something that even we vio ni belong to even protected United Nations. When you know United Nations, the whole world all protected. You are not supposed to have vio amasa na enwe do masa na enwe egwe masa na enwe when we are ya nudo mweve webo nudo ya supon nudo avio ye po nudo ya ineru no ma nudo ya wono na agio nobody no gio una ya avio una we oluhe ya ngo wa ya hiduhu imegita mu we na we a logo oge do no ya avio to is United Nations property. If we want to make case with you jury ime we royal family ema hunwa agewe because egbe be no dagele lu na do mweladian if you ba avio the royal daughters ya avio ya ukun ya we ya ni ya we ya bet by the law you don't try it the logo ge we no nwera ti jore do maje school when you explain ma when we avio even ya drop you to ya drop ya mugele no ya mugu igele me wana ugege ya mwe nu ego give you a problem. It's a problem for you. No ya mwe what bo egwe kwini. We are make no kere ovie ka kwini. Let me just say ovie ka do vie do hu. Emi we una we ovie ka e hu. To. Ya vio yo to. Ya vio yo to. We Benin all over the world. We are prince and princess. Edio Benin. Dio ye do all over the world. Orao, Afemao, Edo, Esako. They are prince and princess. Of that kingdom. So we are special people in the world. So you are disgracing us, you are insulting us. Do mine and wait the time because there's nobody no like you don't have when the meaning of what you are doing. A France in where you are. Yaga moba. Oba ni aga ni. Maybe you're being respecting any. Oh my have your logo okay France or if you're bagging anybody or lads, you have your ya or soon a France where you are. It is soon. Una we do or give you do have you or you go on a hammer when we have your do via ma. You have ya business. Yori. When we are mama bottom, it is our boy am weboto. It any kaya mo weboto. Eria imi do ya mo egbuto eria egun bogun na ya mo wa gbuto o bi on buy na e mo fi face e mes e koko bo gun ya betin wa Sofia e ni cow o hin aba fi e be wa ho ere buda no gyobu e itie e de na ina we de buda no gyobu not you one muda even wado age wa wedo e o mai sun dedemede o mai sun dedemede imegita mbwana nya gwa enena niswe ni ena awo yo bana keke nwariri aje e ma no gigi wa o a o no gi ho o e ho no ho e o a o no bege e o benu wa ya sumani o unu wa no we o ko bono gbeni mi gi wa o ko be no we wa hian wa hian wa hian lo do do pa wa ya la and the family wa kere e mi no sunu bi ko ka sunu ta family wa e family wa e wa mu ya je me eti o wa mu ya je ona mi ru we ni na wa e ru na no wa aga ru wa o we ru ya si o ba lo ibi edogbe ogun agbugwariana o gbugwaria be eyin mi du agbugwariana o gbugwaria be okware ga agbugwariana o gbugwaria be ogun obogun ngene agbugwariana o gbugwaria be edin do agbugwariana o gbugwaria be emi no ma dele gbe soke wa je e bebi wa han mi emi na ya nya gbona de gbe soke wa je si gi wa ariana ria be nwa e wa ya mo mi wa mama iba mi no luware da me wa ki o otutu wa ki o ekenu wa kere o nobody no na do ni ki arriba na gwa ni ki arriba wa ra bo hin emi no du wa se wa ya ha emi wa like se e wa ya ha unyi me wa nyi na ngwa e wa ya mo ngwa e ngwa e wa ya me because the family wa me family kage da ya ha wa ba nya ma ti wa ja o se ni ma na ti wa o ni asola de abedo ni atawe no re na ma ere de edo wala ho egwa wala ho ma won bowo mama gie ni ma we gbe yan na bi se ba ye o se ni han na be ga bo ani ha gele wa ga bo ni ha ga bo ere buda no gyobo e me we no wa ere buda no gyobo e we no wa ni ha ga po boju wa e ni ha po boju wa e ni ha go no agbe o e yan ti mo mi jore e wa go we no ye na obi ohun na agbe ya una we edo e wa guve anu we obi edo bi ka e ka e hu ko se nu waje edo ne ko e hu because do we edo we hinde kenya ya ko wa I ma believe wa nyi me wa nyi wa hanye e be na itana we eni ka no ba fie be yuwaro o yo ba ile na eni ka no ba fie be yuwaro no siware yin no siware kenwa belong to because you people are not belong to this head wa ma belong to this head wa ma merite we bonu waje deti wa merite we bonu waje e kinwa dona wa ga do ma no rie we bo use kwe da doge parade u we se ma gbe we howe u pu we no we ya ri boy e kino ma heke ya wana we e no so wa ya dekun we e ni ya re e no lo wa ka gbe kan egwa na ria no sin eyan na mo bo e bo na be mu bugwa ni o be de gbe do si wa la jana bini do iyan ni ke ma understand I'm from royal family ke la dian you understand me no popu wa e me do tam wa de na e mi no popu wa ene na wa pa ma rewe bo e wa pa ibi edo no rewe bo ni a de mi no se na so wa ene ni la dian iyan na ria no sin wa ka gbe kan gwa e o de gbe do si wa la dian na de le gbe awo ma wa hin no wa na la dian anu wa ya ta ariana wa na we gwa wa muda nu wa ya ta edo ma e hon ko ni amana mo bonya ka gade okuo na ti ma hon ma le no kuo edo le no kuo awa edo le no kuo keke wa I every na mi ha no o ko fone kere no and you people will suffer it wa ya to ijore wa wo wegbe ari wa emi o pa yo ni ta ma your message now la wo ya gi vie ba e gin wa wa e wo like yan o wo be nya ni go ni connect no wa e wo like yan emi na wo ya wo do ari edo nu ja sample we nu ja mi yesigi no na gi wo hu we ari edo nu ja sample u ga gi sample ni ne do u sample my gwa you are free and the why you lame I have vote I gbo ma be gwa ni I gbo ma ba yen o mo e agbo ya ke ma ya hin wo azan wo so anything I gbo ma wo wo ari e ba wa yi we mi no heke nu ne tu ga ya de vie ba enu ja ga u ya we se ni ma be do no problem we are welcome the Edo people we are welcome you but all we my so my we you panu wa ya we re bo gin avedo wa ya me ba ni ani ai jore lare my we wu et yan ni ke ni ta lo social media yan wa no yan my point ni we me pot I me gben yi wo hun yan mi nu mi we wa we re bo ni wa we re gin una ya zesi ni ya una muze una gbeni wejo una mu picture we una wo god of ijori una ya have your name why evi ro pa wi bi edu esunu be gbin a evi ro pa esunu da nwe e wo ya mo bi ya nu ama because una guko egbuko because nobody no get we me ya ma we o sunu da ya do me nu ya ma bi edu esunu da ya ma pa ma evi ro pa lo bi e wo odan we di tama we jure we ko kire bo wa e wo ya we se ni abedo wala wo bo ya ri na re face ina ri anybody ni post egi wagume show ni ma be bege ni abe hon wagume show is a message to all of them here poverty level but they should ask question before I can me on me ma ya mi picture we gbe picture yo ri no ba yo but o ma ke ni ari awa no ni ala ni ya kanu jore ma zo jore bona mu gbolele kin o ga de ma ya kin o ga ni ya you should stop it who where am I ni ka we no protect the ni ma ne ma na gbon ni ka we have views mo so we lega to ni so okay mama mi ya no so no oni we di tama won ina na te mata na ehia ma ibi edohia wa ya pagbe wa mo ebo ni rewebo wa ya pagbe wa mo ebo wa mo gbian ni aju mu abi ehwe yin upo na la na ha mi akan mi the end uhun ya ta upo na ha wo because mi na ma mi wa gun de iya si mi ya gbe anytime since 2 years on ya ke kun ye mata na wala din wa rovira visual no na gbewe the mofi face no na gbewe mofi face no na gbewe mofi uji we wune no your man no je na 90 years the cancer gbo yi mudia esa gewe ma ukuyo ma sera una we iya mu una din kanu una we mu contract we igbo wu na ibi esan ro wala wo etem ni pe etem ni wo esan e do wa hin e palace di wa ke pa e palace ni wa ke pa ane ke na legberi e ibi oba from palace ba o ya yin san ya be san la cole vi Sindieta so nu wala wo ibi e wo me ma ye kele ma legberi wa ga igi ma ni ja kon re gbe ma ibi esan igugun na la ho e no gin wa me odo ti me gita mu wa na palace ba yan ke pa e mo na bi e bi oba ogisi atiyan ana ya ju wa yo do aya jiyan le da de o ke no ro tu obo ke no ro shekiri no re wori ke no re agbagbo ke no ro do e palace ba prince yan ra ya jiyan ida de ya so de kini ma le gbere e mi no sunu wa la wo me gi mi esan ya ko pe akoko wa we la tiyan wa we gun wa we sin yo sege ne enika o ori ma ya fefefe eno egwa ni ori ma ya fefefe eno e fon paro e godu ni ma ya hin egbe eno awon pa ilati awon yan do ajoja le ma na o ma heke na mesi ai ma no gbe upun ni ma ya hin egbe no mo se iyen ere yan jo lo si yiri bibo yan e jo lo si de ohun ya tai brafa ohun ya tai the Edo people we are prince and princess whether you people like it or not go and kill yourself the brafa people go and kill yourself it can pay we are prince and princess leave us alone Brafa people. You are the one that started this war. Wala wo ibe san. Wala wo. Imegi nya. Okpa ma ya hin. Na me kini malegbere because a prince aya emu je te san no. O te se soro ni ai mi no ro do banero ogbero. Da devil ya eya re ba ya sero ya. Eri obeje be gori. Eri obeje be eya. Ngwa ya egbe kera na emi ada be benine. Egwa ba nya ke ya je o ibi obogisi e wa hin mene princess o wa kwana o wa hin wala wo wa ya ko boku be ezo e ma wala wo imegi yin ya eri ma no ya la ba o we la egbe ma gi egbe o egwa is a young man, is a young boba to my human man wala wo wa ga give a stress wa ga give egwa stress ma we wan we ma ya all over the world. No man wa ero na nwa hiro mo no gbera 18 years na egi omomo na agugwa no we na ya mo problem ki owa wa ki ma lu enwa ni ma ya iwe mi ya eni ya e boze disturb we ibi ya no e wi ma track feel ono na wi ma traffic ona wo ma ona we e stress eni ya hin o me family o mo ewo o me mi ya o kedo gba ogedo o too much igberu wa la wo wa ki ma be lu enwa ni ma be zi o ma ni bere webo emi ga bere ma to be ma be simu koko ave na ga me kasi problem ni be je ba because the problem is too much me na yi me gi bi sana ni ala wo ibi obogi se gwa ni wa ya ke pa wa ma yo be ron wa ya ke pa na ko boku gbe na solve problem anything no sunu wa side na ni ya wa mu gian do wa ni asove ma be ma cho we se na gi omomo ahun dan na ogi obana ogi dona ti ma ajo we le antin be tin ni ka o be tin mi du kene so get to gbon kene okwa ahun agbian mi do kan ba fi e be yan o kan agbian ya mo ni mama mi do kan agbian ogun kan agbian o to kan ranu mi ai ije no bi ma na o to na ona bia mo na bia ho o kan na ya anwa me ho na la ya gbe na le we to bo na ha sin ya gbe bo na le me gbe bu ha sin ya gbe ya ga le no ko tori o kan sin ya gbe aso ane avana owe ane ni ama sei ni ere guda no gbo me we no ba fi e be yan ro ina we no ba fi e be yan ro no sin ari ni ama na sei ni we no sin ya ni ado ta e mi no kan gwa ni ado ta wala wo so ya stop we mana wala we san wa gie a message na wa gie wala email ya e Facebook me na ewe wa try wala wa come share anybody no get wa come share no say ma ya bo wala wo da doge sin yo se ge mu ere mama akwa ma eva ya le je mi when ya be lati ani da doge be wo ge de kini ya be se bo ma mo bo wa le lati wa ita wa be wa mu e bo gbin na ya en we just wa gele mo bo wo wa mu e bo gbin nda eti ni asi otun mo chi gbe eti ni asi so wala wo ibi esan ibi I don't know how to say it bini esako nokpa afema e family okpa ma yakin e palace va e wa yake pa riva ibi obogisi e ita imegite di minima wana ibi oba ogogisi e awa fema hin e esan hin e ora hin aso akoko edo yan ni ikodo ni yan hin ibi shekiri eyan be ibi obogisi eyan hin agbo ibi obogisi yan hin kenire eko abe eyan ya ni rodo ni reko ibi obogisi eyan ya hin ibi oba e palace ni ake vian ya ajin ajisi ana tin ibi obogisi imegido tamu wana wala wo ibi san e na honji wa ko boku gbe na ya resolve problem na he ni ya ma be macho ma be pe ni me be pe ni mama ta do ya pe ni no ma wi ma pe we bo ero me 28 years he ma understand so wala wo I have my family here na we lajin asijo mo na ta ijo mo because me gwa le mi no ton nobody know egire wo na itori no stage so na we na ya so be ne san do we do no ne do no pa no any esan no call no mo bowo those things if esan wa we la jon wa we gwemu wa gwon wa we tamia we ni awu na e ma wa yes you say ni mu ware den ni o ya meta if esan ya me gugu na o den ni wa sinyo say ni mu ware if ye wa na be aro no tie mo fi face no gwegun ano ya le kokole ya tam wa kamia we wa magie wa ya la tam wa tamia wa magie gelegele wa magie ahun so owe no lu won ka we aso o ka won yo iwe iyan awon emi awon yan we dun ya mo be ti wa condemn en wa la den wa we sin se ni wa ye ni wa den ni o ya meta so na wo ni be tu wa ya wa we se o iye boy cassette na video na ni pe na try ni we ya post egwu ya call we ma be he we ya post egwu so